So this is the question. We have to prove square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. So we will take LHS. LHS is your root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So here what we do? 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Then to numerator also you have to multiply 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. So you have to multiply 1 plus sin a to numerator and denominator. So now you write square root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. You are multiplying 1 plus sin a to numerator and denominator. Now you will get a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So you will get, using that identity, we will write 1 minus sin square a by 1 plus 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 minus sin square a. Then we will 1 plus sin a whole square. This is in numerator. So you will use this identity here. You have used the identity a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now we see 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So you will use 1 plus sin a whole square by cos square a. So here you have used the identity, that is your identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you have used that identity here. Now you see 1 square root of 1 plus sin square a, 1 plus sin a whole square by cos square. So square root means that we will get 1 plus sin a by cos a. So that is equal to 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So 1 by cos a is equal to sec a, sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. So we write sec a plus tan a. That is RHS. So this type of problems you will do. Square root of 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus. Always you have to solve this one denominator. 1 minus sin a is there, so we have multiplied by 1 plus sin a. So here 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that is 1 plus sin a whole square. This is 1 minus sin square a. According to this formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin a whole square by cos square a square here. So square root of this is equal to 1 plus sin a by cos a. We will break it. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a is equal to sec a plus tan a. That is RHS proved. Okay. Any doubts you can ask by sending messages, and we will solve more problems